That's number 4. Now, what's the final one? This is something that a lot of people, if you've never been in a lease for a retail location, you may not be aware of. And this isn't always the case, but it's important to know that the terms that you negotiate with your landlord are going to play a big role in your overall startup budget. Now, landlords are, in many instances, not all, but in many instances, known for giving what's called tenant improvement money or tenant improvement allowance. This is basically a portion or all, it's a rebate on a portion or all of your build out. And it's not technically, it's kind of like a rebate in the sense that they pay you back for a certain amount of money that you would be investing in the build out. Now, why would they do this? They do this because you're improving their real estate, right? Their real estate is becoming more valuable because of the things that you're investing in that location that you can't take with you. So whether you leave after 5 years or 10 years or 20 years, you've put money into the plumbing, the electrical, and you can't take that with you, but the landlord is the beneficiary of that. So a lot of times landlords will give you money. Sometimes we've seen $50,000, $100,000 in very rare circumstances that people will get towards their build out, depending on the length of a lease. So oftentimes you're not going to get that sort of money towards a build out if you're only signing a 1-year lease or 2-year lease, which is also, very rare anyway. But the point is that they want you to be in a lease for a longer duration, and then they're going to be willing to invest in having you there as a tenant because they're going to make that money back maybe over the first year or second year on you being there as a tenant. So this is the 5th thing, and it's a big component. So this is why it's important to have experience and know how to negotiate a lease.